What? I already been here.
You don't know what way we took.
Yeah, because I don't pay enough attention. I'm on your side, by the way. Well, I'm just making sure what happened yesterday with me and you.
What you do? You ran into me. I didn't run into you.
Yeah. Hey, look, I can stand up. Do I like it? No. Aren't you supposed to stop there?
No. Keep your eye out.
Nice to know people like bikes. Whoa, pedaling backwards, weird. Huh, that'd not be good.
Ain't fun, son. Get old hemorrhoid here.
Get it what? Where are we even going? Now I really don't know the way home. I know that church though.
What church?
Do you not see the big cross? Yeah. I hate riding on streets.
What?
Because it's all bumpy. Sidewalk isn't better anywhere here though.
No, we're about to get on to up here.
Alright. I'm gonna try not to hit this guy's car. Oh, your bike would, you would not be able to make it through that on that bike.
One with us probably gave a lot of gas.
Yeah, hurt your knees. Is that another church? What is that little pine cone thing? Yeah. What's with the pine cone instead of a cross? Had a feeling.
That's everywhere.
You can tell by the sidewalks.
That's everywhere.
These sidewalks are pretty nice though.
These sidewalks.
But they're next to buildings, that's why. Hey look, a train track. And huh? How do you even go over a train track on a bike? Oh, that was easier than I thought it would be. That's not comfortable. Why does my bike have such more of an acceleration than yours? I'm really hoping you know the way back. That's debatable. I'll act like I do. Okay then, I see how it is, Tree. Can we stop real quick and take a break? My hands.
That's the next stop.
Could I get my water?
No,
Well,
you get it.
I'm asking, could I get my water? Why did my hands do that?
What? Please keep right?
I don't mean to. I'm guessing this is another church?
Yeah.
What's with all the churches?
That's what this town was.
What's that building?
Yeah.
Big tall one.
That is a high rise.
Which is what?
People live there.
It doesn't look like very vacant.
Huh?
Doesn't look like there's anyone living there.
Yeah. That's where your Aunt Didi lives.
Huh. Want to go visit her? No.
She's outside, we'll say hi, but if not,
She's never outside.
want to call her?
I should have told her to run downstairs. Tell her she had to jump down 3 stairs because she's short.
I know she's home.
Really? That's where Dee Dee lives?
Yeah.
That place does not look friendly. Does it look any better on the inside?
It's just a bunch of apartments there.
I'm saying though, from the outside it looks like all the windows are broken.
Yeah, man.
Or at least they all have blankets all over them.
No, that's just shades and stuff.
They look like blankets. Now, if this video is going to turn out, I have no idea because this camera.
That's alright.
And if I don't have an editor, I don't know what I'll do. I'll just upload it to YouTube with no cuts. Be like a 40-minute long video, but so I'm not home. You know anyone else that lives here?
No.
Yeah, nice.
Ready?
Yeah.
I just need to find somebody with a lighter.
Did you not bring a lighter?
No.
Why?
I was really trying to get out of the house. Alright.
1 second.
1 second, what do you do?
I'm having issues with my kickstand, okay.
Ready?
Yep. We're going first. Because I don't know where we're going. But we can't get there on bikes. You can if you put a really strong motor though. Ha! Let me try that. Ah!
That's the very first church I went to with your mom.
Is it nice?
Nice. 12 o'clock, midnight mass.
Midnight mass.
Yeah.
Why are you up at midnight?
You go to church?
Yeah, but isn't there morning mass? Really? Only midnight? One thing I've noticed, a lot of buildings are trash. The churches are very nice. It's like everyone will vandalize people's houses, but they won't hurt the churches. It's wrong either way. Yelling. Is that her?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Want to ride over there?
Yeah, hold on. I think that's her.
It is.
Yeah.
She's short enough.
Alright, come on.
Nice job going right off the edge.
Get out of here! You don't ride bikes?
Yeah.
My brother still ain't got a phone. That's my brother. That's my nephew.